Hey, I'm Evan Follmar with THV, and I'm here to talk about my new Collision Drumsticks. I got the 5 ARs. I've been playing with these things because they're a little bit longer than normal drumsticks. They help me get into all the nooks and the crannies of the drum set. Another reason I am loving these sticks is their durability. I've been playing with them for a few months now, and there is hardly a scratch on them. I'm used to sticks breaking like after 1 or 2 performances or practices. Not these. I'm loving working with Collision, and they've answered all of my questions. I love all the resources that are available to me as an artist. I can't wait for you to check out this song that we're about to perform. Come on, follow me. Guys, check this out. For this song, I actually only need 1 stick.
1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go again. Big smiles, this is what you get. Denial, something's up with that. I'm lying, this is what you want.